Okay. Do we have some in Knoxville?
Hello, everybody.
Are you subject out?
If I don't say this, January 2024. Hey, look, I can share it to a group. By the way, my hair looks amazing. Okay, thanks. All right, good morning. Hello, everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so glad we have such a big crew. I almost called Chuck this morning and said, just knock us in half. There's no way everybody's coming out in this rain. And look at y'all. Good job. Give yourself a round of applause. I am super impressed. Super impressed. I almost bailed on y'all. It's a good thing we don't have the 20 degrees, or this would have been snow, and we would have definitely shut down. Okay. So if that happens next month or March or April or any other time, I'll try to email y'all, but we'll put it on Facebook and everything and say, don't try it. It's not worth it. Okay. We'll catch y'all some other time, or just forget it this month. Okay. But we can handle rain. I'm not getting Mama's new car out in the snow. I'm staying home. Baby and I are staying home if it gets crazy weather, which this is borderline. Anyway, hey y'all, I'm Whitney East. I am the president of Knox REIA. Thank you so much for coming out. It's good to see y'all. We have some people here that I haven't seen in a minute. We've got some people that I haven't seen since yesterday, so that's good. And I'm glad to have all of you. We are going to be talking about private money lending, hard money lending. How many of you are absolute millionaires and you got all the money you ever need to do all the deals that you want, anytime, every time? Okay, great. Then we're in the right spot. This will be a great talk today. I do want to ask if you're comfortable sharing, has anybody been a private money lender before? Like somebody came and said, hey, I need $10,000 to finish a job. Or somebody came and said, hey, I've got a house under contract. It's $50,000. It's going to take $30,000 to finish it. It's going to be worth $150,000. Will you loan me $90,000? Okay. Or have you said, I've got X amount of money in my 401k or my whatever those other numbers and letters are, and it's not really performing the way I want to, or it's just boring logging in, watching it. I want to put it into some other work. I want to do some other things so that I can see my money working. All right. So if you've done any of those types of situations, I even have a friend in California who loans on like cars and stuff. I have loaned a friend of mine who was starting a business. I loaned her $5,000 to buy her equipment and get her business started, and she paid me back over. So like, there's lots of different ways to be a private money lender. Have any of y'all done that? Like you've let somebody else borrow some money and paid them back? Okay, perfect, fantastic. Has anybody done, and this may not be the same kind of topic, but I just want to know for my own general information. Has anybody bought a property and become the bank and then sold it on owner financing or a wrap or a subject to or anything like that, but you became the bank? Anybody done that? Okay, awesome, fantastic. While I'm surveying the crowd, how did y'all know to come today instead of last week? Facebook, email, what else?
You told us last night.
Thank you. That was the best answer. Everybody else passed, I guess, but that was the one that I'm looking for. When you come to the meetings every single month, we'll get you in on the really good details. Thank you. Okay, was there anything else but Facebook and email, or you were just here, and so you're ahead? Cool, right? Okay, fantastic. All right, so we are talking about private money and hard money. We're talking about ways to make money in real estate. You're in the right room, right? Everybody here? Does anybody have any deals under contract that you want to present to the room so that everybody can know what we're working with, or so we have some live examples? Anybody have a deal that you're looking to wholesale or flip, or something you're just tired of dealing with? I do those sometimes. Nobody? Nobody's got anything? Slow January? Okay, that's fine.
I have a horrible one, but it's not a good one.
Is it yours you're trying to sell, or one you have under contract that you're...
It's on the MLS. It's as is. I think it's a great one. It's going to be a big flip. Whoever does it is going to make a lot of money, but it needs everything.
Everything.
Yeah, it's in Halls. It's in an awesome neighborhood. But it's going to be a big flip. So
Halls has it. Yay!
What's that?
Halls has it. Yay! If you're from California, that's the Halls phrase. Halls has it.
That's not a good phrase.
We don't know what they have. Nobody's figured it out yet. They don't have the interstate or Publix, but they think they have it, so that's fine.
I have an Eagles.
They do have an Eagles.
Starbucks.
Do they have a Starbucks?
Inside the Kroger.
In the Kroger.
They have
The
a
Kroger's
Dutch
in
Bros.
Fountain City.
They have a Dutch Bros. We don't have a Dutch Bros. They have a Dutch Bros.
What is that? Is that coffee?
shops.
I don't know. I'm not up to it.
They do have a little thing. Okay, we're getting there.
Okay. Anybody have? Oh, let me also say, I'm not an attorney. I'm not an accountant. I'm here to tell you lots of real estate stories. I bought my first property at auction in December of 2012. So I just passed 11 years in real estate investing, and that was a piece of land. I still have it. Got houses, apartments, warehouses, truck shops. I love industrial properties. I have Airbnbs. We got some luxury properties. I'm looking for more warehouses if you find me, especially on Rutledge Pike. Okay, that's my honey hole. That's where I like to hang out. Is there anything else I'm supposed to ask? Anybody have anything they want to share? Y'all cool? All right, John, are you ready?
Sure.
We have a special guest today. John Burley is here, and he is an expert when we talk about money. All right, he has done the deals, and he is going to have lots of examples for us on how the rich make their money, okay, and how they keep it going forever and ever and ever. Amen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Is that TV on back there, or is it just, I can't see it because it's not?
Got that on.
Okay, fantastic.
We got a PowerPoint, but we're gonna keep it real informal. As much Q&A as you want, fire away. So, you know, we've got plenty of time, and I remember I started a long time ago. I started back in 1979 when I was 18. So it's interesting for me when I hear the new kids, because of their age, talking about, you know, how bad interest rates are. Because when I started, they were 14 and they went to 18.6. So playing from business gives you a different perspective. If you look at history, interest rates today, and look, I agree, it sucks that they went from 3 to 7, but interest rates today are very, very moderate historically. When I started, all we were trying to do was do owner carriers at 10 to 12, and kind of saying the business was, if you can't make money at 10% interest, you should go get a job at a grocery store because you live in it. There's a lot of stuff out there that I see that just doesn't work too well. And we were talking about it briefly, like, you know, all the social media, this is kind of the new infomercials. You guys remember the infomercials? Remember those? Yeah, I did three pretty big ones. We did one with Robin Leach, Lifestyle's Original Famous. Remember that show? Yeah, it was a great infomercial. The company I worked with, promoter, we paid them $1,040,000, which I thought was ludicrous and told them not to do it. And I was so wrong. Because literally the numbers for the event went up 350% on the first showing, continued for 3 years. And it was great infomercial. Remember the show, Lifestyle's Original Famous? It had been number one for like 7 straight years at the time. It was like, you know, so he's like, oh, doing my Aussie, you know. So for years now, I've shown you how the rich live. Well, tonight, I'm going to show you not just how the rich live, but how you can get rich too. And here I am with my dear friends. We met 30 seconds before, but apparently for $1,040,000, you're now dear friends. My dear friend, Deputy Millionaire John Burley, and then, you know, normal infomercial stuff. Most of the stuff I see on social media is literally retreads of the stuff that I learned in the late 70s and 80s today. Real estate education really hasn't evolved, it hasn't changed, and it teaches what predominantly I believe is a broken model, because it tries to apply the logic of business. So, yeah, if you can see the screen, just really quick, thank you very much. We appreciate your efforts. Whitney, it's a lot of work to put these together, and we appreciate doing this for over 40 years. I owned my own business as young. I had a business in high school. I was making $10,000 a month. So I built a very large boutique firm. We did very, very high-end tax planning, asset reallocation, and tax strategy stuff. Very, very high-end. Tools were different than today. That's all what we did in the past. So we did that. And I learned some great things. But my passion was real estate. Anybody else? Yeah, it's what I love. As far as what to do. And so I just made the switch from the private equity side, more traditional Wall Street asset classes, to real estate. I was actually the first firm. I formed in 89,
How are you?
How come you moved the meeting to middle of the day? Do you have more people in the
I
evening?
don't think single family homes
okay.
are better than any other piece of real estate. I don't like them more than any piece of real estate, but the fact is, property managed, they make more money. You know, in my town of Phoenix, I mean, we've got, institutional money fighting for buildings.
Hey y'all, it's Whitney Nicely. So we're here on Tuesday from 11 to 1. We meet on the first Tuesday of the month, and we're at the Cotton Eye Joe. All right, down here at a green room entrance, not at the main Cotton Eye Joe entrance. And we're talking about real estate investing. We talk about real estate investing, a different topic of real estate investing every single month, and we would love for you to join us. Our lunches are free. It's a lunch and learn. You're welcome to come and learn, grab lunch, meet people, hang out, and we're happy to see you. So join us. I'm going to go back into the meeting now, but I don't think you can hear what John is saying. So I'm going to go back in and I'm going to learn lots. I'm going to learn how to be a private money lender. I'm going to learn how to do all the real estate things and have some fun and live our best life. That's what I want for you. All right, so join us next month on the first Tuesday of the month from 11 to 1. 11 to 1. We're here at the Cotton Eye Joe. Again, we're at this side door entrance, not at the main Cotton Eye Joe entrance. It's not that kind of party. This is a real estate investing party, and we are looking for you to come join us. All right, lunch is free, so come on out and join us, and we will see you next month on the first Tuesday from 11 to 1. Bye, y'all.